Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S Cafe. 650cc twin-cylinder cruiser, liquid-cooled fuel injection, only 13,700 miles. This one's equipped with ABS brakes. It also has the rear passenger seat and foot pegs. But wait till you hear that awesome TBR exhaust system. Cool paint scheme, matte black with a green highlight. Come on by, make your cruiser dreams come true. Call for pricing. Prices are going up. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.